Hey Allison, yes, we have started to prioritize things differently. My wife, for example, has prioritized dishes and cooking less. So we've been eating off paper plates and we've switched our meal plan around a couple times so we don't have to do as many dishes. We're eating more processed stuff that is quick and easy to make with less dishes. So we've accumulated more garbage because of that. And I've started after the laundry. I've prioritized um, the laundry and clean clothes and bathing less. I'm sure everyone wants to be my friend after I've said that.